So I'm currently waiting for the light to change, so I decided I'm gonna do like a quick introduction for the video. Today I'm gonna be getting my hair done. I'm just gonna like retouch my balayage just because my roots are like really long now. My hair has grown so much and I haven't done my hair in a while. So I have my appointment today at 11. I'm currently on my way to the airport because I'm gonna go pick up my sister. She's coming from Nevada, and I'm gonna pick her up. I'm actually running late, but there is a lot of traffic. I mean, it's delayed. But yeah, I'm gonna be bringing you guys along with me so that you guys see the process and how I get my hair done. I've been getting my hair done with this girl for like 4 years now, and I cannot trust anyone else with my hair. She's really good at what she does, and I really like getting my hair done with her. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys that, and if you would like to see the whole process, please keep on watching. So a little update, my sister texted me saying that she already arrived, and I'm still like 20 miles away, but I don't think this traffic is gonna move any faster. So I dropped off my sister at her house, and right now I'm on my way to the salon so that you guys know when I get there, and we'll go from there. I'm in the parking lot outside of the salon. It's actually in the mall. She was running a little bit late, so I'm just waiting here. I went home and I did some homework to catch up. I barely started yesterday going back to school, and I already have a lot of homework to do. I really wanted to dye my hair. I cannot wait to show you guys the end results. I guess I'm gonna go inside now. Hopefully she's already there, and I'll bring you guys along with me.
Put it back, like just let me know when you'll turn.
Okay.
Do you talk in your videos?
Yeah.